Hello, hello. Day one, your high energy tip. Are you fueling yourself on just coffee this morning? I see you. No, coffee is not the tip. Protein. A high protein breakfast is going to really move the needle, is really going to give you the energy that you need today. High protein breakfast. Breakfast. Break the fast from the night before. Breakfast is important. Protein. Fuel yourself with something that's going to give you energy, not just the carbohydrates, not just the sugar. If you get a high protein breakfast, it's going to give your body the nourishment that it needs to stay awake and take every morsel that Alexis is going to give us today. So, protein. If you haven't already, go plan protein. What does that look like? That could be eggs. It could be an egg scramble with some veggies. It can be eggs with toast. It could be an avocado toast. It can be a protein shake. You name it, just something with good protein. Protein is going to fuel your body and your brain to absorb all the amazing goodness that you're going to get today. So, high energy tip number one. Get in a good high protein breakfast. It is going to make a huge difference. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Right here, I'll send you a message for your high energy tip number two. But today, get some good protein in. And if you're not on my calendar yet, get on there. Let's make it happen. Let's get your specific energy leak. But fuel up. I'll see you tomorrow.